In this video, I will show you how to hide desktop icons on your Windows 11 PC. This is simple and easy to do. To do that, simply click on the desktop area, then click on View. Here, you are going to uncheck this Show Desktop icon by clicking on it. With this, the desktop icon is hidden. You can just simply right-click again, and then on the View area, click on Show Desktop icon. This will return the icons on the desktop. You can also click on any of the icons you don't want to see on the desktop, and then right-click on it, then click on More Options, then click on Delete. This will be deleted here for you from the desktop. As well, you can click on the Start menu, then click on All Apps. Here, if you wish to add any of these icons on the desktop, you can just click, then hold and drag it to the desktop. This will be added to the desktop for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, you can hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get more from this particular channel. Thank you.